Welcome to MMO Make Money Online, your gateway to financial freedom. Are you ready to take the reins of your economic destiny? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make money online in 2023. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about freelancing. As more businesses move operations online, the demand for skilled freelancers is higher than ever. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find work in everything from graphic design and programming to writing and marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Platforms such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great starting points for affiliate marketers. Another popular method is dropshipping. In this e-commerce model, you sell products online, but the supplier ships them directly to the customer. You don't need to hold any inventory, making it a low-risk business. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo can help you get started. It's more speculative and requires a deeper understanding of the market, but the potential rewards are significant. From trading crypto on platforms like Binance and Coinbase to mining and staking, there are plenty of opportunities. Lastly, consider creating an online course or coaching service. If you have a particular skill or knowledge, share it with the world and get paid for it. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your courses. Now, remember, these are just a few ways to make money online in 2023. What works best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and commitment. Start with what feels right for you, learn, adapt, and keep growing. And that wraps up our guide on how to make money online 2023. We hope it gave you some valuable insights. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content like this, and share with your friends who might benefit from it. Until next time, this is MMO, your guide to making money online.